Hey, I'm back. Right, so I'm building part 2 of 31380. This is the retro arcade machine. So we shall see how long this takes me, and I'll see you in a bit. Right, I'm back, finished. I think that took me 12 minutes. I don't really know what to say about that. That's not brilliant. Nothing moves on it. Yeah, I don't think you'd build that and leave that up, but it's built. That's number 2, part 2 of this 3-in-1. So there you go. Right, I'll see you next time.